Hello and welcome to Psychology 101. For some of you, this will be your second unit on perhaps quite a long journey of psychology units. For others, this may be your first unit. In this subject, we are learning about a range of areas within the psychology discipline. This gives you a taste of things to come at later stages of a psychology degree. We hope you enjoy the material covered in this unit. For the first week, we ask that you read the textbook chapter on research methods in psychology. As a scientific discipline, psychology places a lot of emphasis on using robust and replicable methodologies for investigating important questions about human behaviour. Careful attention to research methodology ensures that we can draw conclusions from findings with some confidence, can generalise from one study to other populations or findings, and can replicate studies to test whether conclusions with one group can be found again with a different sample. The scientific method helps psychologists address some complex and murky issues. It also ensures that research is done ethically and doesn't harm participants. You'll be exposed to a large amount of research in your degree and will be required to describe and evaluate this in your assignments. You'll also conduct your own research in honours and postgraduate study, however distant that may seem for you right now. The REP is another way you will get a chance to be a participant in psychology studies. This can be a great way to understand how research is conducted and the sorts of approaches that psychologists use. So take the time to read this chapter and process what it's saying about the characteristics of psychological research. You will learn about experimental research, correlational research, and descriptive research. Ethics is also covered, along with conducting research on the internet. Finally, remember that we'll run several Collaborate sessions across the week, so there is an opportunity for you to discuss what you are learning with a tutor and with other students. These are a great way to make sure your learning is more effective and enjoyable, so please try to make it to a session each week. Thank you and see you next week.